Okay, everyone, I wanted to show you how my husband's ingenuity created something that actually works really well. And I'll kind of explain to you how he did it. It looks really bad though. He like rigged this up out of, okay, so it's a windscreen for a microphone. So he rigged this up out of a big chunk of foam, a wire hanger. These were some old pants and some of my bobby pins. So he cut the wire hanger and kind of formed it into the shape he needed, stuck the little legs into the big old chunk of foam, covered it with this pair of pants, and it actually works really, really good. So it just looks terrible. Hey guys, so something kind of funny happened earlier today. I was doing dishes, and obviously I'm doing dishes in the kitchen. We have a door that goes to our basement in the kitchen, and we have a hole cut out in it as a cat door, because we have our cat's litter box in the basement. After Thor goes to the bathroom in his box, he gets what me and my husband like to call the poop zoomies. He gets what we like to call the poop zoomies. So he poops and then he runs all over the house like a crazy person. So he pooped in his box. My husband was downstairs working out at the time, and he heard the cat bolt up the stairs. I heard him too. You know, I was doing dishes or whatever, and he peels into the dining room, and I have my birthing ball in there, my yoga ball, and he face plants this ball, and it's a weighted ball, so it has like sand or something in the bottom, and so it's not supposed to roll very easily, but he hit it so hard that it rolled like twice and hit the coffee table, and my husband heard it from downstairs and like came up and he was like, "Oh, what was that?" And I was like, the cat just ran straight head first into my yoga ball, and Thor was just sitting on the windowsill. He was just sitting on the windowsill staring at birds. He is a mess. Hey, so I'm gonna be testing my blood sugar, and I don't think I've tested it on camera before, so whoops. So that's what we're gonna do. I use the One Touch VarioFlex. It comes in this cool little case. You can pop all this stuff out, but I just leave it in there. Little strips. Put in the top. And you wait until it flashes a little blood drop. It's my Lancet. I have it set to 4. I don't think you can see it, but I have it set to 4. And you pull this little thing back till it clicks. And then, for those of you who don't know, it's less painful to poke the sides of your fingers. There you go. Set that here for now. And then it counts down. And 81, I think you can maybe see that. Yeah, 81. So for my fasting number in the morning, my fasting number has to be below 95. So my fasting number is always good. I have not had a spike in a fasting number in almost a month. So I record my number in my book, and that's it. So for those of you who don't really know much about gestational diabetes, I mean, it's overwhelming. It's definitely overwhelming at first. But I freaked myself out whenever I found out that I had it before I actually like took my class and stuff. They send you to a nutritionist class so you can kind of figure out how to you know, what to eat, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I freaked myself out whenever I found out that I had it, and I cried for like 3 days straight. 3 days straight. And I just stressed myself out way more than I had to. Most women can control it with diet and exercise. So, and I'm fortunate, I'm one of those women. Some people can't. Some people have to go on insulin. On the pregnancy subreddit, I see a lot of women who ask, like, how can I trick the 3-hour test? And I'm like, you don't want to trick it, because if number one, I don't think there really is a way to trick it, but if you trick that test and you have gestational diabetes and it's untreated, then you could do some major harm to yourself and your baby. So don't trick it. Just do the test. If you happen to have it, just follow your doctor and your dietitian's orders, and you'll be fine. I have such a, I guess you could say, a mild case that my belly has measured on track. He's not going to be a big baby, and I complain that I can't eat whatever I want, but I mean, I'm pregnant. I get to complain about stuff, so whatever. Okay, so I'm going to be installing some RAM, hopefully. Hopefully this isn't awful and the cat's butt is right in my face. Here we go. So let me, like, I don't know how to put this here. Okay. Just pull these down. Right? Yes.
I think I know how to get it.
Okay. So here it is.
It's like, okay, so you run to the area where the snow like drops out from under you and you fall down. If you would turn left right there, then it turns you towards the chapel. But if you run straight and then head to the left when you get to like the end of the area, that leads you towards that, right? Okay, yeah. Okay. That's pretty much where I'm at. I just lit that bonfire between the sage and the chapel. I'm just running past all these dudes. Not worth my time. Not like I really have to worry about dying either.
Come on.
Man, so I was watching a video where a guy
there we go. Okay.
managed to get himself to New Game +7.
Hopefully, hopefully that works. I think that's all I have to do is just pop them in, so and that's it.
I don't know how he even did this, man. He managed to lead Holy.
I don't know if you can hear him, but my husband is meowing back to the cat downstairs. Hi, I had a dream last night that I gave birth in the hallway at the hospital because I couldn't make it to the room. So, yeah, and then afterwards they took me to my room, and the room had a nacho maker, like ones you see in like gas stations. It had a nacho machine and a coffee machine, so that was really cool. And then my mom and my little brother came to visit, and the gift that they came to bring was like, it was 2 ceiling lights that were broken. Well, one of them was broken. It was weird. I mean, I'm due this Thursday. Yeah, I'm due this Thursday. No contractions or anything yet. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so we'll see. Hey guys, it's a little bit after midnight on the 28th. It's Monday. Monday in April. It's the last Monday in April. I braided my hair because I'm just gonna let it dry like this, and so hopefully whenever I wake up it'll be all cute and crimped, but we'll see. I couldn't get my fake bangs in there, so they will not be cute and crimped, but I did a face mask so my face feels so smooth. But yeah, I have a doctor's appointment in like 8 hours, so I should be asleep right now, but I took a really long nap earlier today, so I kind of screwed myself. I built a couple houses on The Sims, recorded a couple videos there. I'm going to be uploading one of them tomorrow, but I'm also going to be doing some research on a couple true crime cases that I would like to kind of really look into and maybe do a video about those. But if I end up recording a video and I don't end up liking it, it probably won't see the light of day. So I guess I'm going to try to go to sleep. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button. If you're new here and you want to see more of my pregnancy pandemic journey, go ahead and hit follow. Your girl has a lot of free time, so if you leave a comment down below, I will most likely be able to answer it. You can follow me on Twitter @ManateeWaifu. Have a good day. Bye.